Training is a wonderful time in the life. You learn a lot, and our best training experience is the Naval Academy. And Naval Academy, you first day you come, you thinking that you are joining as a sub lieutenant, as a commissioned officer, and generally the whatever is shown to you in the movies and otherwise, and what I have seen of Air Force, they get a lot of help otherwise. And here we were made to carry our big box. We all had come those days with the steel boxes, and the steel box, we were told immediately moment we got on from a big 3-tonner. They used to call those big trucks, they used to call 3-tonners in the Navy. Right. So the moment we got down, we thought probably someone will come and help us with our luggage. And we were told, no, you take it on your head. Right. That 25 kg of big box, and you are made to take it to your cabin, which was almost about a half a kilometer. You don't know how you survive that particular moment. You come back. The moment you leave that thing, you are asked to report back in 10 minutes. You come back immediately running. And then you are told start with front roll and back roll and all that. So that first day itself, you realize, you had come under very, very false illusions, right? You're joining as an officer and you will have a luxury and all that. So it was a very, very different thing. But once you look back in the life, these are the memories which you treasure most. You love them and like them.